And welcome back. Let's answer this question regarding their research title. So basahin po muna natin. Hello, okay po ba siya na maging research title, stress levels and parental academic expectations among grade 9 students of the name of the school? First of all, let me inform everyone na meron tayong rule in formulating your research title that as much as possible, innovative dapat. Ibig sabihin, there is something new doon sa research na gagawin ninyo. Number 2, in relation to number 1, dapat may madadagdag na panibagong knowledge. Maliban sa makabago, dapat may additional knowledge na maidadagdag doon sa kung ano na yung existing ngayon o yung alam na natin ngayon. And then number 3, as much as possible, iwasan natin yung mga recycled titles. Recycled titles, yung paulit-ulit na lang. Number 4, kailangan yung research title ninyo para ma-self-check ninyo. Try ninyong sagutin, kung kaya nyong sagutin yung title na yan, even before conducting the research. If you can answer or provide an answer doon sa research title na pinopropose ninyo, then doon sa point na yon, alam na ninyo na there is no need to conduct the research. Kasi even without conducting the research, alam nyo na kung ano yung sagot. So, the last part, there are also research titles na tinatawag natin na timeless. Ibig sabihin, matagal ng prevalent, matagal ng paulit-ulit lumalabas yung title, pero sa hinaba-haba ng panahon wala pa rin maibigay na solusyon. So yun yung mga timeless na research title issues, kagaya ng reading comprehension. Paulit-ulit na gasgas na yung reading comprehension, pero hanggang ngayon wala pa rin tayong magawang solution para ma-improve yung reading comprehension. Balik na tayo dito sa tanong. Siguro ibabalik ko sa iyo yung tanong based sa mga sinabi ko. Sa palagay mo ba okay ang stress level and parental academic expectations? Sa akin, kung makakatulong yan, bago yan, dyan sa lugar ninyo, sa school ninyo, then by all means, pwede yan. Okay? So, yun yung sagot natin. And by the way, additional, dito sa research title na ito, dapat correlation ang gagamitin ninyong research method. Correlation, relationships of the variable na stress level at dun sa parental academic expectation ng grade 9 students ng school. Thank you very much everyone. Stay